So here's how you can remove the sharing suggestions on the iPhone. Let me talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, of course, you probably know that when you are sharing a picture or literally anything that it could be, some contacts or some people might be suggested to you, right? Like you might want to share it with that person. So you can turn it off by going to the settings and then checking out the Siri and a search, or it might be Apple Intelligence and Siri, whatever, but you basically get it there. You then scroll through all of the toggles, but I want you to go to the suggestions, and literally the first one should be suggest apps before searching, one of the interesting things, but also the sharing, right? Show when sharing might be disabled, right? So it just depends on how deep you want to go, but naturally, if you are sharing and you want to delete those suggestions, you don't need to have the show when sharing enabled, because, it will just kind of try to figure out which person you might want to share the files to or whatever, so it might suggest some random people you text with, and if you don't like that, you can turn it off. But as you can see, I have all of the other things in here turned off as well because I don't really like these suggestions, generally speaking. And also you can click on reset hidden suggestions, which is, perhaps you want to get it back to the original state, so you don't really want to be suggested some older contacts or whatever, so you might also want to do that. So that is just how you can do this. Let me know in the comments below if you manage to find it. And of course, just like always, if anything changes, I'll make an updated video about it. So make sure you subscribe and you'll never miss it. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.